Creating an AI virtual assistant involves several key steps, including programming languages, frameworks, and tools related to natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, ML, and potentially other technologies. Here's a simplified step-by-step guide. 1. Understand the requirements. Identify the tasks that you want your virtual assistant to perform. For instance, the assistant could answer questions, play music, send emails, make appointments, etc. 2. Choose your technology stack. The primary language often used for AI and ML tasks is Python due to its rich set of libraries and tools. Libraries that you'll probably use include NLP libraries, NLTK, Spacy, Gensum, etc. Machine learning libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, scikit-learn, etc. Voice recognition libraries, speech recognition, Google Speech Recognition API, etc. Text-to-speech libraries, GTTS, PyTSX3, etc. 3. Design the conversational flow. This includes designing the possible interactions between the user and the virtual assistant. For instance, when a user asks a question, the assistant should be able to recognize the question and answer appropriately. This can be done through intent recognition and entity extraction, which can be achieved using various NLP techniques. Point 4. Implement speech recognition. If you want your assistant to recognize spoken language, you'll need to implement speech recognition. This can be done using various APIs or libraries. Point 5. Implement text processing. The assistant should be able to process the user's text and extract meaningful information. This can involve various NLP techniques like tokenization, lemmatization, part-of-speech tagging, etc. 6. Implement machine learning models. Depending on the complexity of your assistant, you may need to implement machine learning models. These models can help the assistant understand the user's intent, generate respo.
7. Implement text-to-speech. If you want your assistant to speak its responses, you'll need to implement text-to-speech. This can be done using various APIs or libraries. Point 8. Create a user interface, optional. Depending on how you plan to use the virtual assistant, you might need to create a user interface. This could be a simple command line interface, a GUI, a web app, or even a mobile app. Point 9. Train and test your models. Once your assistant is set up, you'll need to train your machine learning models on suitable data, and then test them to see how well they perform. Point 10. Deploy your assistant. Once everything is set up and tested, you can deploy your assistant. The exact method will depend on how you plan to use the assistant. Remember, creating a virtual assistant is a complex task that requires a good understanding of programming, machine learning, and natural language processing. Depending on your skills and the complexity of the assistant, it could take anywhere from a few weeks to a idiographic period.